Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. I welcome all of you in today's video tutorial. I'm here with another lesson of fraction wall. We are completing the questions of fraction wall exercise, and it's on page number 95, and the book we are studying, that's Cambridge Primary Mathematics for grade 3. We finished question number 20 in the last video, and we completed all questions from 1 to 20, and today we are going to start from question number 21. So I'm gonna read the question for you. The question is asking, would you rather have 3/8 or 4/10 of pizza? This is a similar question which we learned in the last video. That was about the cake, and this is about the pizza. So even I'm not able to decide right now which pizza I should have, 3/8 or 4/10, because they both have different denominators. So what you are going to do first? First you need to find which of the fraction have the larger piece. Obviously you want to have larger piece of pizza or smaller piece of pizza. For that you should know that which of the fraction is greater and which of the fraction is smaller. So for that you will do the same thing. So there are two fractions, so you need to find out which is the bigger one and which is the smaller one. For that you need to multiply their denominators. The first denominator of 3/8 is 8, and the second one is 10, which is denominator of 4/10. When you multiply 8 into 10, so you will get 80. This means 80 is a number. You need to convert both denominators into 80 so that you will be able to decide which is smaller and which is greater. So now check the first one, 3/8. In the 3/8 denominator is 8, so check how many times you need to read the table of 8 in order to get 80. So when you read the table of 8, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, 8 4 35, 32, 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 7 56, 8 8 64, 8 9 72, and then 8 into 10 80. So you need to read up to 10 times, so you will get 80. So we get the result 80. That means we have to make both denominators 80. Now what you will do, you will multiply 3/8 whole fraction by 10. So I'm multiplying 3/8 whole fraction by 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is giving us 30, and 8 multiplied by 10 is giving us 80. You remember that I am multiplying denominator by 10, so I need to multiply this number to numerator too, as it is a fraction property. I cannot multiply one number to a denominator but not to numerator. So 3 multiplied by 10 is giving us 30, and 8 multiplied by 10 is giving us 80. So the first fraction answer is 30/80. Now we need to work for another fraction, which is 4/10. So the denominator in 4/10 is 10. Check how many times you need to read the table of 8 in order to get 80. So 10 1 10, 10 2 20, 10 3 30, 40, 50, and 7 70. Oh yeah, 10 into 8. So you need to read the table up to 8. 10 multiplied by 8 will be 80. So you need to multiply this whole fraction 4/10 to 8 now, because 10 needs to be multiplied by 8 to get 80. So you will multiply this whole fraction by 8 now. So look at here, I multiplied 4 also by 8 and 10 also by 8, because I cannot multiply only 10 by 8. So when I multiply 4 by 8, that is giving me answer 32, and when I multiply 10 by 8, that is giving me answer 80. So now this is 32 by 80. Do you remember what 3/8 was giving to you? 30/80. So now we have both fractions and they have same denominators. The first one is 30/80, which is 3/8. We after multiplication we get 30/80, and 4/10 after multiplication we get 32/80. So they both have same denominators, and it is very easy to recognize them which is bigger in these fractions. So 30 and 32, which is the highest number? 32. As you know that when you have same denominator, the more the numerator, the greater the fraction. The less the denominator, the smaller the fraction. So between 30 over 80 and 32 over 80, 32 over 80 is the greater fraction. That's mean 4 over 10. So because I like pizza, I would go for 4 over 10 of pizza. Do you also? Next question we have, would you rather have 6 over 8 of $4 or 5 over 8 of $6? This question number 2. They are asking us, they are asking a question about money, that would you like to have 6/8 of $4 or 5/8 of $6? So what do you need to, you don't know, you know about $4, yes, but you know about $6, yes, but you don't know about 6/8 and 5/8 of both of them. So what you need to do first, you need to find out what is actually 6/8 of $4. Until you find, you will not be able to answer. So for finding 6/8 of $4, you will multiply 6 over 8 by 4. 4 is a whole number, so you will multiply only 6 by 4, because any whole number is having 1 in their denominator. So when you multiply 6 by 4, the answer will be 24, and 8 by 1, the answer will be 8, or you can simply write 8, no problem, no need to multiply. This is just to make you understand that there is 1 always in the denominator of any whole number. So you will get here 24 over 8. Now you have worked for the first one, 6/8 of $4. Now you need to work for the second one, which is 5/8 of $6. Can you find what is 5/8 of $6? You have found about the first one. So you need to do same here. You will multiply 5 over 8 or 5/8 by 6. So when you multiply 5/8 by 6, so only numerator 5 will be multiplied by 6, and you will write denominator same. 8 will be written same, and 5 multiplied by 6 will give you 30. So it is now 30 over 8. Do you remember the first one? Look at here. 6/8 of $4 is 24 over 8, and 5/8 of $6 is 30 over 8. So you have now same denominator, 24 over 8 is also having 8 denominator, and 30 over 8 is also having 8 denominator. Can you find the greater fraction here? 8 same, so 24 and 30, which is the bigger number here? Obviously 30. So 30 over 8 is greater fraction, and that will give you a greater amount. So what would you like to have? 6/8 of $4 or 5/8 of $6? Well, I would like to have 5/8 of $6, as it is greater amount of money. And obviously you will also like to have this 5/8 of $6, because everyone wants money. And this is the end of our today's video tutorial, and it is also the end of our topic fraction wall. We finished all the questions today. We finished question number 21 and 22, and I hope all questions are clear to you. From the next video we will start new topic, and until then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.